Hi, in this video we are going to learn about subject of a formula. So if you start with the question, okay, let's start with some simple ones like make x the subject of the formula. Okay, so y equals 2x plus a. And what that actually means is when you make something the subject of the formula, you want that letter to be on its own. So you want that equals to something. In this case is x. So you want x equals to something. Okay. So in this case, if we use simple algebra, we can come to the conclusion that it's quite simple. All you have to do is minus a from both sides. Okay. So if you, because this is plus a, if you know minus a on both sides, this will cancel out and minus a will come to the other side. So y minus a equals 2x. Now you see there's a time sign between them, invisible time sign. If you want to get rid of the 2 and make x on its own, you have to divide it by 2 on both sides. It's divided by 2. Then you're left with x equals, this will cancel out. Your x equals y minus a divided by 2. Okay, so that's that one. If we practice another question, let's say number 2, let's just try another one. Y equals x over 2 plus a, and here we're gonna make x the subject here as well, so make x the subject. So this one, so because this is divided by 2, this you can will times this by 2 on both sides, so this will be 2y, because 2 will go to this side, and it will be 2 times y, which is 2y, equals, you would be left with x. 2 will no longer the 2 would no longer be there because obviously you times it, so x plus a. And if you not get rid of the a, just minus the a. It's 2y minus a equals x. Okay, that's the one. Number 3, let's try another few questions. Y equals 2a minus x. Okay, if you want to make same x the subject again, we can just, in this case, what we can do is just move the x to the other side and move the y to this side. So it will be x, because minus x becomes plus, and your 2a is still there, and y plus y will become minus y. Okay, let's try number 4. Okay, y equals a over b plus 2. Okay, so we want to make b the subject. Okay, so if we want to make b the subject, what we have to do is, the first thing we have to do is times this b plus 2 by y, so it will become y bracket b plus 2 equals a. Okay, now what we can do is expand the bracket, that will become yb plus 2y equals a. Okay, let's go in here. So yb equals plus 2y will go to the other side, become a minus 2y. And if you want to just get b on its own, we'll divide it by y, because it's times at the moment. If you want to get rid of the y, divide it by y. The same you have to do on both sides, so this will cancel out, b equals a minus 2y divided by y.